Good afternoon, student. Myself, Professor Chetan Gupta, CSA Department SIRTS. Today, I am going to take this session on the subject software engineering, and today we are going to discuss about the topic that is software maintenance. Now, what is software maintenance? Basically, software maintenance is widely accepted part of SDLC, that is software development life cycle. Nowadays it stands for all the modification and updation done after the delivery of a software product. That means software maintenance is the last phase of any software development life cycle. That means there are four different phases, that is analysis, then designing, then coding, then testing. When testing is done, the final product we will send to the customer, and when where we need some updation, then software maintenance is required. There are a number of reasons why modification are required. Some of them are briefly mentioned in the below that we have discussed in our next slide. So there are some points, or we can say that there are some parameters on the basis of which software maintenance is take place. That is market condition, second one client requirement, third one post modifications, and some organizational changes. So these are some four parameters, or these are four factors on the basis of which software maintenance is taken places. First, if we talk about market conditions, so policy which changes over the time, such as traction and newly introduced constraint like how to maintain bookkeeping, and may trigger need for modification, that comes under market condition. Second is client requirement. That means over the time customer may ask for a new feature or function in the software. That means if client want some extra feature, at that particular time software maintenance is required. Third point, that is post modification. That means if any of hardware or platform such as operating system of the target host changes, software changes are needed to keep adaptability. Means if some hardware changes or if some software changes, so at that particular time we need to upgrade our software. So that is one of the reason for the software maintenance. And the last one is organizational changes. That means if there is any business level changes at the client end, such as the reduction of organizational strength and acquiring another company, organization venturing into the new business, need to modify in the software may arise. So these are the four factors on which the software maintenance is required. That is market condition, means if some policies changes, so if some new constraint comes arise, so that particular constraint need to be upgraded in our software. Client requirement means if client want to add some new features, so that particular time software maintenance is required. Third one is post modification, means if some hardware changes, if there is a need to change some operating system platform change, so software maintenance is required. And organizational changes like reduction of organizational strength, organization went into new business. So these are the four factors. Now what are the type of maintenance? In a software lifetime, type of maintenance may vary based on its nature. It may be just a routine maintenance task as some bugs discovered by some user, or it may be a large event in itself based on maintenance size or nature. So these are the type of maintenance means why we required maintenance. So there are some type of maintenance that based on some following properties. So some of the maintenance are corrective maintenance, adaptive maintenance, perfective maintenance, and preventive maintenance. So we see the definition of corrective maintenance means this include modification and updation done in order to correct or fix problem. Means corrective maintenance are related with correction or fix the problem, which are either discovered by the user or concluded by the user error report. Second one is adaptive maintenance. Now this is the one of the another type of maintenance. This include modification and updation applied to keep the software product up to date and tune the ever changes world of technology and the business environment. Means if some business environmental is changed, so that particular time we need adaptive maintenance, or it is called adaptive maintenance. Third one, that is perfective maintenance, that comes under the maintenance of software, or we can say that type of software. So third one is perfective maintenance. This include modification and updation done in order to keep the software usable over a long period of time. It include new features, new user requirement for refining the software and improve its reliability and performance. Means perfective maintenance basically related with the reliability and the performance of that particular software, that over a period of time we need to software up to date. That's why we need perfective maintenance. And the last one is preventive maintenance. So basically preventive maintenance, this include modification and updation to prevent future problem of the software. It aims to attend problem which is not significant at this moment but may cause a serious issue in future. Means preventive maintenance, why we perform preventive maintenance to uh, protect our software from some serious issue. So today in this session we have covered what is maintenance, what is the definition of maintenance, why software maintenance is required. So there are four conditions: market condition, client requirement, host modification, and organizational changes. In next slide we have discussed about what are the type of maintenance. So today we have discussed four type of software maintenance, that is corrective maintenance, adaptive maintenance, perfective maintenance, and predictive preventive maintenance. So I hope today this session was helpful for regarding what is software maintenance and what are the type of software maintenance. Thank you.